Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the angle in a semicircle, one of the cleanest circle theorems on the syllabus. Diameter plus any point on the circle equals a right angle. By the end, you'll spot this every single time and pocket the easy marks. Definition. If A and B are the two end points of a diameter and P is any other point on the circle, then the angle APB is a right angle, 90 degrees every single time. No exceptions, no special cases. Every triangle drawn from a diameter to a point on the circle has a right angle at that point. Key insight. Spot a diameter. You've unlocked a right angle. Once you've got the right angle, you can use either Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA to find any other side or angle. This theorem is 2 free marks on a circle theorems paper. Recognize the configuration and the rest of the question opens up. Common slip. Both endpoints must be on the circle. A line that passes through the center but doesn't reach the edge isn't a diameter. And the angle has to be at a point on the circle. Not inside, not outside. All 3 points on the circle, with 2 of them forming a diameter. Quick example. Diameter AB equals 10. P is on the circle. AP equals 6. Find BP. Right angle at P from the semicircle rule. Pythagoras. AP squared plus PP squared equals AB squared. 36 plus BP squared equals 100. BP squared equals 64. BP equals 8.